Which of the following is a high-level programming language? A. C++, B. Assembly, C. Machine language, B. Binary code. Answer A. C++. C++ is considered a high-level language because it uses more human-readable syntax and provides instruction from the underlying hardware. Number 2. What is the main function of a compiler? A. Write code, B. Translate code into machine language, C. Store program, D. Debug programs. B. Translate code into machine language. Compilers convert high-level source code into machine-reliable code that the computer can execute. What does JDK stand for? Java Development Kit, B. Java Data Keyfer, C. Java Data Key, D. Java Design Kit. Answer A. Java Development Kit. JDK stands for Java Development Kit, which is a software development environment used for developing Java applications. Number 4. Which tool is used to write on this program? A. Compiler, B. Interpreter, C. IDE, D. Interpreter. Answer C. IDE. IDEs, integrated development environments, provide a set of tools for writing, testing, and debugging programs. Number 5. Java is a saved with a Number 5. Java code is saved with a which file extension? A. Java, B. Class, C. TXT, D. Java. Answer Java. Java source code files are saved with the Java extension. 6. A blank program is a sequence of structure for the computer. Answer computer. Computer program is essentially a set of instructions that tells the computer that what to do. Java is considered a blank language because it uses human-readable syntax. Answer high level. High-level languages are designed to be easier to humans to read and write, using syntax and structures that reduce closer to natural language. Number 8. Blank is the program to execute a byte code. Answer Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM is responsible for running Java bytecode, which is the compiled form of Java source code. Number 9. And blank combines editing, compiling, and debugging tools in one software. Answer IDE. IDEs integrate various tools needed for software development into a single environment, improving productivity. Number 10. The blank command compiles Java source files. Answer Java. Java is a command line tool provided by the Java Development Kit (JDK) to compile Java source code into bytecode.